What's up, everybody? Rel here from E&J Cap, also trading finances with E&J. Guys, the manipulation that has happened in this market is blowing me right now. I don't get it. Some of the stuff they're allowing to happen should be illegal. Shame on you, Robinhood, from restricted buying. All you can do right now is sell. I don't even have Robinhood anymore. Robinhood I got rid of like 4 years ago. They're trash. Get out of Robinhood. And I think it's even TD. I tried logging on to TD, it was still restricted. There was a little article yesterday. I don't know if it's a real one that was saying if there's any chatter about Nokia, AMC, and GameStop, that they will be restricted. So clearly it was right because you can't even buy on some of these brokers. What they're doing, like for example, okay, now a halt is an announcement to correct imbalance of a stock. That's what they're doing with AMC. AMC was halted, I wrote it all down, halted about 13 times since opening bell. These shorts are trying to scare you into selling so the price keeps on dipping so they cover back. They're trying to scare you out your gains. Don't let them win. Remember in Planet A is 1-8 together, weak, together, strong. I was watching the interview on CNBC with Chamath.
They trade day over day, massively levered, small swings. So basically what you're saying is, hey, if retail runs a momentum play to squeeze a short, that's wrong. But hey, if Renaissance Technologies and somebody else does it, that's okay. That's what you're saying. You may not know that that's what you're saying, but that's what you're saying. And to me, that feels very unfair.
No. What I'm saying is someone's going to get screwed. Okay, someone's going to get screwed, and it's going to be It's going to be a retail investor who gets screwed because they think that this is the way the game works. That this is the new Wall Street. They're new to this game. Maybe they haven't been in the game that long. Not everybody, not trying to say that in any way, shape, or form. But somebody's going to get hurt. I'm not talking about the billionaire with the big house in the Hamptons. I'm talking about the person who thinks this is cool, fun, and an exciting way to spend their time.
I'm not taking away that there's an element of that, but you're really discounting how smart so many of these people are. Okay, and all I would encourage you to do is spend a little time in these forums, go into the Discord server, and you're not going to hear a bunch of bros just sloshing around. You're going to hear a bunch of really, really smart people talking about things in fundamental ways.
Chamath, don't tell me that yesterday AMC Entertainment was a $5 stock, and today it's up 170%, and that's justified. Don't tell me that some of these names are justified to being where they are.
It's one company in one moment of time. What I'm saying is
there's like 10 companies, 15 companies, 20 companies.
Now, he's getting all mad at these retail investors. He's like, don't you think retail investors are making a big risk? He was simply explaining, he's like, how is it a risk when it's a momentum trade with fundamentals involved in it? And then he's like, how is it a fundamental? He's like, they went against what the big timers were doing. He said they researched it, they saw the short interest, so they went against the grain. Their biggest downfall was criticizing the intelligence of these retail investors. He said on Reddit, he spent hours reading the forums. He's like, these people are intelligent. He's like, they can get the same access to the same information as these big time investors do, but they took the opposite side of the bet. And now look at GameStop. They were winning, what was that, like $15? And at pre-market today is $4.25. Now for AMC's case, they've been downsided since pre-market. I think the high was today was $16, and then it kept halting, and then losing its price, and then losing its price, and keep going up. They're trying to scare you so they don't have to cover that huge price by tomorrow. And I hope these institutional investors get burned tomorrow. Like, I hope they get burned. I don't get how it could be criminalized when hedge fund managers are going behind closed doors to do pump and dumps or all together come together to short sell a stock to make it dip in price. Isn't that the same thing? Isn't that the same thing what these retail investors are doing? Wall Street's mad because they're losing millions of dollars, and now these retail investors are coming up millionaires. At this point, we're big timers now. Unfortunately, I didn't get in, so I'm still a little guy. And I just don't like how they're manipulating the market as well. Like I said, restricted buying, that's unfair. Robinhood, shame on you. You know, that's not right. People should be able to spend the money or invest the money any way they choose. Everything was running slow. I couldn't even log onto my account. It just makes me mad that they can actually do this. A community that was made on Wall Street Bets, keep staying strong, blast that stock price up so these institutional investors get burned tomorrow for their cover. I'm paying off the houses, paying off college debt, paying medical bills for the parents, and bless you guys, bless up, because you made a smart decision. Go down in history. More millions were made in the last 3 days than anything. I promise you that. Off some people with $600 stimmies too. So everybody has to be a Chad sometimes, right? Altered again, 959. That's 14 times today. Let's get AMC to $100. Maybe we can all be millionaires and we can all take a trip together. Guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you guys check out that interview. One of the most important interviews I felt. And I hope you guys are reinvesting some of that money. Take some money out. Remember, you got capital gains taxes, so be easy. Roll out. Peace.